guys, welcome back, and today we are opening up the Lost Origin Elite Trainer Box. Oh my goodness. Alright, we need to get into it first though. Yeah. He always does it the best somehow. And then, like always, I'm not going to show the cards or say the name. Well, I'm going to show the cards, but I'm not going to say the name. I need to remember this time. Perfect. Looks really nice. It looks like as if it's new, even though it's an old ETB. We got the player's guide. I'm gonna look at the better cards. Yes, over here. These are the cards you want. These types. Especially this one. This is a really expensive card. Oh, and then this Aerodactyl. Oh, you're just showing them. This Aerodactyl is what we want to pull. This one, most expensive card in the set. That's what you want to pull. Alright. We got our packs. I think it's 8 on this one. 8 packs. We got our dividers. Very nice. We got our coins, our V-star marker. And then we got our dices. I like these ones. Cards. Energies. You can check for those if you want. Code card. And then we got our case. I like because this one's gold. So it's really nice. Cap. Yeah, this is a really nice ETB. Alright. Yeah, it's 8 for this one. Alright. It's been a while since we've done a card opening video, so time to get back. Black code card. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Psychic Energy. Relicanth. Oh, wait, I have to stop saying it. Oh my goodness. I caught myself there after a while, but still caught myself, which was very good. Alright. And, here we go. I will probably start doing some more Fortnite videos too, just so you guys know. Alright, reverse hollow Apom, hollow Kingdra, white code card, water energy. Well, maybe you'll get a gold. Okay. Yeah, all these ones. Hopefully he'll get a gold. That'd be pretty cool. Like how I got that gold Pikachu. That was sick. Because my dad always comes here with the luck. Maybe not right now, but he usually does. Rhyperior. Yeah. Black code card. 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy. Alright. I don't really know what to say, so I don't really talk sometimes. So I have to start thinking of things to say while this video goes, so it's not so boring. Because I notice I don't really talk that much, and there's not that much action. Ooh, maybe a double pull? Trainer Gallery, Chandelier. We already have this one, but V, Pidgeot. I feel like Pidgeotto should be the max evolution, because Pidgeot just sounds like the downgrade of it. Metal Energy, and I don't know why he keeps getting white code cards. I don't even feel the weight of the packs, and I still get these. Alright, hopefully he still gets something. At least the holo. Somehow. Ugh. Alright, that's a little bit better. And then reverse holo. Nothing. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna fix this before we go in, because the cards are falling all over. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully we can get some more pulls. Black code card. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got another white code card. Fire Energy. Alright. Let's see what we get this time. I don't think it's gonna be anything, because I don't see any like slivers or anything like that, but you never know. You never know. Okay. Reverse holo. Yeah, just a holo. White code card. This one's so... Oh. I think Daddy likes this. Hopefully he'll get a gold. Because whenever he gets that, he usually gets good stuff. Not me. But him, yes. Okay. So we'll see in like 2 more cards. Okay, almost there. Reverse holo. Nothing. Aww. Ugh. So bad a bad box. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully we'll get something from this last pack. Please. At least let my dad get something. If not me. Black code card. We finally got a black code card. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Dark Energy. About to say it. That's a close one. Alright. I wonder. We'll see. Right? Mm-hmm. And if I don't get something, hopefully my dad does. Because I hope he doesn't just go empty-handed. Reverse holo. Drapion V full art. Okay. Black code card. Finally. Psychic Energy. Alright. And it's good that we're getting all these normals from this ETB and the player's guide, because I've been needing this. So I'm trying to complete the set, because I know the Aerodactyl goes for a lot in Last Origin. Well, the alt art at least. The normal one goes for like $1 or $2. So. Perfect! Snorlax Trainer Gallery. And and Collapsed Stadium Gold. It's been waiting for him. His final pull. I have this.
Double pull.
I have the Snorlax, but in Japanese, so it's good that we got this one because I've been trying to pull this one. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.